And before you even say it, I don't care if you had a road glide, you could be riding a gold wing, I don't care what you're riding. That wind is going to move you around, period, because it's moving the whole bike around. But I want to take this opportunity to show you something. We're headed from Iowa City over to Illinois. Don't know exactly how far away we are. Got Leonard behind me, and we're going to Chicago. I want to eat some deep dish pizza, Chicago style pizza. Never had it before. Hopefully I can find a good place, not a chain. Pretty positive that we're going to run into some rain today. The wind is high, blowing us around everywhere, especially when we pass by these trucks. Do you see what's going on here? This is a perfect storm for high wind. Two tractor trailer, a camper, a tractor trailer in front of me. I'm getting the wind off of this one, the wind coming between there, and it's making the front end move. And before you even say it, I don't care if you had a road glide, you could be riding a gold wing, I don't care what you're riding. That wind is going to move you around, period, because it's moving the whole bike around. But I want to take this opportunity to show you something. This is not scientific. This is not anything that I learned from a riding course or anything. But this is what I've learned from experience. So what I want to show you is this. When you're riding in high winds and you're passing a big truck, let's get up to this point. Right here, it's horrible. You can feel it, that wind coming off of that truck right here. At this point, it's horrible. I don't stay here. I'm only doing this because I'm talking to you. Going through it, right here, not so bad, but he can't see you. What I want to show you is when you get right here, it pushes you out, and then it feels like it pulls you back in, like in front of it. That's how it feels to me when I'm passing a big truck. But I've learned a technique on how I do things when I pass a big truck. So I'm gonna have to show you on the next one that I go past. Just stay with me till then. Bridge crossings are the worst. Long bridges, crossing the Golden Gate Street, the Golden Gate Bridge. Woo, that wind was something else. All right, so we're about to pass this truck here. And now this is what I do. Remember I told you when I'm behind it on the left side of it, on the back corner, there's a lot of wind. Beside it, not that much wind until you get in front almost where the cab is. Okay? You don't want to hang out there anyway, because that is where you're in their blind zone. Look at the wind blowing that truck around. So this is what I do. I lean, yeah, I know. I lean forward like this when I get right towards the front of it. And oh my goodness, I feel that wind. Woo! And he's getting in my lane. He's blowing me around. All right, let's see this. Now, the reason why I do that, not saying it's the right way, the scientific way, or the motorcycle safety course way. The reason why I do that and lean forward like that, think about a sailboat. When you're out like this, you are a sail for the wind to push around and maneuver, push you back and forth. That wind is coming off of that truck, and the smaller that I can get, the less it has to push against. That's what I'm trying to say. And it doesn't affect you as bad. So yeah, that's what I do. Not all the time, just in high wind situations. I'm not always going like this every time I pass a truck. I should, that'll give me an ab workout. Let's do this. I'm gonna close the vent. Let me move this out of the way. well then that's hot in that. I'm gonna close this vent. You see this, guys? Is my vent closed? No, it's open. On the 2019 you had this vent right here, right? I'm gonna close the vent and see if it makes a difference. Let's try this. Ready? Here we go. The vent is closed. It's hitting it right here with this vent closed. Let's open it. That's open. Right here, guys, I feel nothing, no air. And air is right here. And that's coming off, yeah, that's coming off of this windshield. I don't think it has much to do with the vent. I always leave it open though anyway. Alright, I got 45 miles left on reserve. You want to stop here and get gas? We should. Leonard. Yeah, we should stop here and get gas. So guys, we're going to stop here and get gas. Top off, probably at Pilot. Pilot or BP. This says the world's biggest truck stop. I remember that. Or Iowa's biggest truck stop or something. I'd like to see it. Let's go over there and see what it looks like. So I guess we won't get gas at the Pilot Flying J, by the way, which is they got it on both sides of the road anyway. By the way, is Flying J is a Knoxville thing, the Pilot Corporation, owned by the Haslam family. Well, it used to be. I don't know if they still own it. Oh, Warren Buffett bought it? Oh, I don't know either. Look at all those campers. Fifth wheels, toy haulers too. I need to go over there. Yeah, and see what they have. We're going to do that one. Iowa 80. See, the world's largest truck stop. You got to see that. Is that a toy hauler? Look back and see if that's a... No, it's not a toy hauler. I thought it was a toy hauler. That's what I need though. A little Wolf Pup toy hauler to pull behind the Gladiator. Guys, alright, so we're going to the Iowa 80. World's largest truck stop. I've seen larger. I don't know where they got that from. Yeah, so they say. Yeah, probably acreage, because I don't see anything that makes it the world's largest truck stop so far. BP. You said buses and RV? So is there another gas pump? Well, let's go see. Now buses and RV says that way. Yeah. Oh, I should take a picture on that standard gas and oil. See that old school thing over there? You probably didn't see it. You didn't come back. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I probably will take a picture of that. You'll see that on Instagram. Well, we made it to the gas station. I feel like this is a good place to end the video. So, guys, make sure you watch on Instagram. I'm going to take a picture over there with the Street Glide. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Comment below. I'd like to know what you do in high-wind situations. Again, not professional advice, just telling you what I do when I ride. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, keep gliding, and as always, hey, the gas is $3.29, cheaper than what we paid. And as always, keep gliding and have a blessed day. Alright, you know I wasn't going to leave you like that. Can't bring you to the world's biggest truck stop and not take you around and let you look. Check this out. Greetings from Iowa. There's Leonard there on the phone. Let's go inside and see what's going on in here.